What makes a man like Sam Elliott, whose voice rumbles like distant thunder and whose presence feels as timeless as the rugged American West, so captivating? Is it his storied career, his enduring romance with Catherine Ross, or the way his life seems to mirror the characters he so effortlessly brings to life? Perhaps it's all of these, wrapped in the mystique of a life well lived. Let's dive into the fascinating details of his journey, his love, and his breathtaking Malibu retreat, a home that whispers tales of rustic elegance and seaside serenity. Sam Elliott, the silver-haired actor with a voice as deep and textured as the American West, has carved a legendary career spanning decades. Born on August 9, 1944, in Sacramento, California, he grew up in Portland, Oregon, surrounded by the rugged beauty of the Pacific Northwest, which seems to have seeped into his persona. Known for his iconic roles in films like Tombstone, The Big Lebowski, and A Star is Born, Elliott has become the quintessential embodiment of stoic masculinity, delivering performances that resonate with quiet strength and heartfelt authenticity. Off-screen, his life has been a tapestry of romance, resilience, and a touch of serendipity. Sam's love story with actress Catherine Ross is as compelling as any Hollywood script. They met while filming the horror classic The Legacy in 1978, their connection as undeniable as the pull of the ocean tides near their Malibu home. Catherine, a celebrated actress in her own right, is best known for her roles in The Graduate and Butch Cassidy in The Sundance Kid. Their relationship flourished despite a notable footnote: Sam is Catherine's fifth husband. Yet theirs is a partnership that has endured the test of time, a testament to their mutual respect and shared values. Together, they have one daughter, Cleo Rose Elliott, a talented musician who inherited their creative spirit. Away from the cameras, Sam leads a life steeped in simplicity and rugged elegance, with hobbies that include horseback riding, exploring the great outdoors, and collecting Western art. With a net worth of approximately $20 million, he's built a life that mirrors the characters he portrays: grounded, soulful, and deeply connected to the land. Among his properties, it's their seaside ranch in Malibu, California, that stands as the crown jewel. A countryside retreat nestled on the edge of the Pacific, a slice of rustic paradise they purchased in the 1970s. Driving up the winding path to their Malibu haven, you're greeted by an understated yet commanding estate where the ocean breeze mingles with the scent of eucalyptus trees. The exterior of the house is a masterful blend of weathered wood and stone, evoking a sense of timelessness. Stepping inside, the living room unfolds like a cinematic scene. Vaulted ceilings with exposed wooden beams, floor-to-ceiling windows framing endless ocean views, and a massive stone fireplace that serves as the heart of the home. The furnishings are an eclectic mix of leather, warm textiles, and vintage pieces, with Sam's collection of Western art adorning the walls, each piece telling a story of his love for Americana. The kitchen, a chef's dream, boasts reclaimed wood cabinetry, state-of-the-art appliances, and a farmhouse sink that overlooks a small herb garden outside. It's a space where rustic charm meets modern convenience, much like Sam himself. The bedrooms are sanctuaries of tranquility, with soft, earthy tones, plush bedding, and large windows that invite the California sunshine to pour in. The bathrooms are no less luxurious, featuring clawfoot tubs, walk-in showers, and accents of polished copper and stone, creating an ambiance of refined comfort. But the true pièce de résistance lies in the backyard, a sprawling oasis where the infinity pool seems to spill directly into the Pacific Ocean, blurring the line between land and sea. A cozy outdoor seating area, complete with a fire pit, invites long evenings under the stars. The property also features a home theater where Sam and Catherine can unwind with their favorite films, and a private studio where Catherine indulges her artistic passions. Surrounding it all are rolling hills dotted with wildflowers and oak trees, a landscape that feels as though it was plucked from a pastoral painting. Sam Elliott's Malibu home is more than just a residence. It's a reflection of the man himself, a harmonious blend of strength, serenity, and understated luxury. It's a place where life slows down, where the echoes of Hollywood fade into the rhythm of crashing waves, and where a legendary career meets the quiet beauty of a life well lived. Thank you for tuning in. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next update.